Door of sky isles. Evan wanders through sunlit pines, chasing drifting motes. A faint shimmer ahead pulls his eyes off the path. He parts the ferns and reveals a door where no tree should be. Evan studies symbols etched around the brass handle.
Imagine this. You've got a story in your head. It could be a funny skit, a kid story, or even a full-blown fantasy adventure. Normally, making that into an animated video would take weeks. Storyboarding, animating, editing, voiceovers, all of that complicated stuff. But what if you could skip all that? Type in your idea, click a few buttons, and boom, your story comes alive with characters, voices, backgrounds, and motion? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Hey everyone, today we're diving into Videoinu, a tool that feels like cheating at animation. This isn't one of those platforms that overwhelms you with control or forces you to learn editing first. Nope. Videoinu keeps it simple. You tell it your idea and it takes care of the hard stuff. Character, visual, voices, and even motion. And don't worry, I'm not just going to tell you what it does. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, like we're building a video together. You'll see exactly what buttons to click, how to tweak things, and what the final results look like. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Signing up. First thing first, head over to the Videoinu website. On the top right, you'll see a button that says Start for free. Click that. Now you can either start up using your Google account or just your email. As soon as you're in, you'll notice Videoinu gives you 500 free credits right away. That's a really solid starting point because you can make a complete video without spending a single dollar. Step 2. Creating a character. Now let's make our first character. On the sidebar, click on AI Character Generator. Here you've got 3 options. First is pick a ready-made character from the library. Second, design your own using the custom option they give you. Third, or upload a photo and let the AI build a character from it. Let's try the library first. Click on any character you like and boom, it loads instantly. What's really nice about this, you can pick your character and Videoinu keeps it consistent throughout your whole video. No random face swaps halfway through the story. Step 3. Turning ideas into stories. Now it's time to bring this character into a story. On the sidebar, click AI Video Generator. Here's where you've got 2 paths. If you've already wrote a script, just paste it in. Or if you're starting with just an idea, type it into the box and let the AI expand it into a script. Let's say I type, a kid finds a magic door in the forest and goes on an adventure. Hit generate and watch it as Videoinu turns it into a full text storyboard, scene by scene. This way, you can actually see the flow of the story before moving into the visuals. Next, you'll choose the visual, and this is where it gets fun. You've got cartoon, anime, Disney-like, realistic, or epic fantasy. Pick whatever fits your vibe. For this example, let's go with Disney-like. Step number 4. Generating visuals. Alright, now click Generate Visuals. Videoinu will create an image for every single scene in your script. Now, here's something I love. If you don't like what it gives you the first time, hit Regenerate and you can regenerate as many times as you want. That means you've never stuck with something that looks off. You keep tweaking it until you're happy. Step 5. Adding voices. Time to add voices. Click on the voiceover tab on the sidebar. Here you can pick from a bunch of AI voices, choose from 10 plus languages like English, Hindi, Arabic, Korean, Chinese, and more. Play previews before you decide. The cool part is that the voices actually sound natural, not robotic. Let's pick English for now and preview a couple.
Evan wanders through sunlit pines, chasing drifting motes.
Step 6. Bringing motion in. Now let's add some animation. Click the animation tab. You'll see 2 options. Basic effects like slides, fades, and zooms. Second is advanced cinematic motion for a smoother, more polished look. The advanced animations do cost more credits, but honestly, if you want your video to look professional, it's worth trying at least once. Step 7. Final touches. We're almost done. Before you export, you can polish your video by adding subtitles, dropping in titles or headers, selecting background music. Quick tip: always make sure the background music is quieter than your voiceover, otherwise it drowns the narration. Step 8. Exporting the video. Now for the fun part, exporting. Click Generate Video. It takes a couple of minutes, and then you'll see a download button. And here's a small pro tip. Copy the project link before you leave the page. That way, if you want to come back later and tweak something, you don't need to start over. Now let's talk about the pricing. We have the free plan, which is $0 a month and comes with 500 credits. Pro Basic is $10 a month. Pro Standard is $30 a month. Pro Premium is $60. For free plan is great for trying things out. If you're serious about making regular videos, the $10 plan is a very solid entry point. Why this matters. Now why am I excited about this? Because Videoinu actually makes animation doable for anyone. You don't need editing software, you don't need to hire animators, you don't even need to know how to start. Whether you're planning a faceless YouTube channel, storytelling, explainers, or just experimenting, it's finally accessible. And that's it, your full walkthrough of Videoinu. What kind of video would you make first? Let me know in the comments because I'm curious what stories you bring to life. Also, if you've made it this far and you're enjoying this breakdown, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's been thinking about animation. And hey, if you're curious about AI itself and how it actually works, we've got it covered for you. I've made a full video breakdown in the world of artificial intelligence. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.